The Oppo Reno 10 Pro 5G is the middle child in the new Reno 10 series in India that boasts of sleek design and also sports a curved edge OLED display. Here's our first look at the new smartphone. Starting with the unboxing, the Oppo Reno 10 Pro 5G comes packed with all the necessary accessories in the box. Lift the lid and you'll find a paper sleeve which packs a transparent case along with some documentation and the SIM eject tool. Next, we have the Reno 10 Pro 5G in its glossy purple color. More about the phone in a bit. The box also packs an 80-watt SuperVOOC charging adapter and a USB Type-A to Type-C cable. My first impressions of the Oppo Reno 10 Pro 5G is that the phone is quite lightweight and slim despite featuring a glass back. It follows the traditional design language of a curved frame and rear panel. However, looking at the number of recent phones launching with a flat frame design, the Reno 10 Pro 5G distinguishes itself from the sea of sameness. The phone weighs about 185 grams and is about 7.89 millimeters thick. You get a USB Type-C port, speaker grill, and dual SIM tray at the bottom, while on the right edge you get the power and volume keys. The glossy purple color looks different but does tend to attract fingerprints and smudges. For those who want a slightly less flashy color, there is a silvery grey option. I like the camera module's pill-shaped dual-tone design which houses a triple camera setup. The Oppo Reno 10 Pro 5G has a 50-megapixel Sony IMX890 primary camera sensor which is also found in the flagship OnePlus 11 5G. It also features an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera with a 112-degree field of view and a 32-megapixel Sony IMX709 telephoto camera with 2x optical zoom. Only the primary camera supports optical image stabilization. The rear camera supports up to 4K 30fps video recording. On the front of the Oppo Reno 10 Pro 5G, there is a tall 6.7-inch 120Hz OLED display with curved edges and a hole punch cutout at the top. Oppo claims that the 10-bit display delivers up to 950 nits of peak brightness. During my limited use so far, I have not faced any issues while using it outdoors in daylight. Oppo says that the display on the Reno 10 Pro 5G features a 56-degree curvature on the sides, which is slightly less than the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G's 61-degree curvature. A bummer though is that the Reno 10 Pro, just like the Vivo V27 Pro, only has a single speaker setup. There is no 3.5mm headphone jack on this phone either. The Oppo Reno 10 Pro 5G boosts the latest ColorOS 13.1, which is based on Android 13. The user interface is filled with many bloatware apps, including some first-party apps from Oppo's native app market and a bunch of third-party apps. Oppo has promised to deliver 2 major Android updates and 3 years of security patches for the Reno 10 Pro 5G. Oppo claims that the Reno 10 Pro 5G's 4600 mAh battery can be charged in about 28 minutes using the proprietary 80-watt SuperVOOC charging adapter. Under the hood, the device uses a Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G SoC. The 6nm SoC is paired with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. While this is not the most competitive SoC for its segment, can the Reno 10 Pro 5G still be a well-rounded package? Find out in the full review coming soon.